If you guys have been around on my channel for very long, you might remember a couple years ago I did a video called The Great Flood. I kind of think it was of 2019, it might have been 2020. I'll have to look back and see. But we are definitely having another flood here in Tennessee, and it's not good at all, guys. All right. I know, I'm gonna video that in just a second. There's our creeks just rushing. You can just see how they're just rushing. The ducks were just swimming down there in that area a minute ago. The creek is an absolute flood, and that's what the worst part is right now. And I'll get to a different angle, but you can see our gate's been completely torn. The fence has been torn apart, and so all that's open and just a rushing torrent. Our barn is down there, and all of our tractors and also the bucks are down there. This is a really bad situation because the tractor engines can get flooded and then they will be ruined. You can see how much water the wheels are sitting in. And then the bucks, we're really concerned about them because basically they're trapped in there. This is their pasture right here, and down lower ground as well. And so they have zero pasture, and everything, as you can see, is just flooded immensely. It's really bad, guys. I want to try to show you how the creek is going. I know the video isn't as good a quality because of how zoomed in I am, but look at that. Here's our front yard, guys. It's just flooded beyond flooded. And then the neighbor has a pond which has completely flooded the banks and is gushing. There you can see how it's just flooding.
And I am just swinging on the swing.
Here's Mike and Nathan. I'm guessing that they must have, or actually just Mike. I'm just trying to see what he can figure out. So Mike dropped Nathan off down at the other end of our property so he could get up and around and see if he could help out the situation down there. Mike's been having a little bit of trouble with his with pain, and so he's not able to help as much as he would be right now normally. And so Nathan's going to see what he can do down there to assess the situation with both the bucks and also the tractors, because if these things get flooded, then they'll be ruined. Well, he got out with one of the tractors. You can just see how wet the ground is. And there again, I'm sorry for the quality of the video, but my video doesn't do as good with zooming. There's the ducks swimming around. Look at this. This is so funny. They're happy at least. I don't want to ruin my camera in the rain, but I really wanted to show you guys, just also for documentation. I just can't even get over. Thankfully, these goats here are all safe. See if I can zoom in here. Nathan is getting out of the... Oh my goodness sakes. This is our yard. So Nathan is trying to get the gates open because the bucks actually, basically this rain came so fast, there was just no way to even know, and then all of a sudden here it was. Anyway, you can see how much he's in the rain, and he's trying to get the one gate open to let the bucks out somehow and get them out just into the field. So that's all devastated there. All that fencing's out, which means it's gonna have to be fixed. All right, here he comes. Oh my goodness. Bless his heart, he's gonna need a shower. Wow. Poor guy. Oh my stars, I hear thunder. Go Nathan. He still has one more buck. Definitely not good for them to be in that much water. It's hard when they're stubborn though, when they don't know. Snickers! Come on, you'll be rushed away by the creek. Come on! Snickers! Rascal. This is the fun of having a quote-unquote hobby farm, y'all. These are the realities. Wow, he did it. Oh, there's Jack in there too. Guess the bucks are getting a bath if nothing else, right? Oh shoot, look at this. Oh my. They hate being in the rain. Oh, he's having such trouble. All his little people friends are outside. Aren't they? It's like, please open the door for me. The water, look how much it's gone down already there in the field. So, in between rain here, the kids went out and got the bucks and brought them up. And they brought them on up here and then got all of the goats shut in. So they're over there in the barn, and now they're making sure everything has plenty of food and water. Yeah, they have plenty of water. Anyway, so in between rain, hopefully we don't get too much more, but I know it's supposed to start in again and then rain like a large percentage of the night. So hopefully everything will be okay tucked in here. This barn's on higher ground, so hopefully it'll be alright.